Hello everybody, it's the 15th of May today and I'm just starting this timey-wimey video on my large oak tree that I've grown from seed for, well, I'm not even sure how long now, but quite a while. Last you saw it, it was wired up, I'm trimmed the back, and now I'm going to give it another trim. I've just been letting it grow. I'm going to cut it back quite hard. I want it to flush again and throw me out lots of new shoots. So that I can try and build a head and some ramification. Okay, I think that'll do for now. Says he snipping another couple of things he's seen. Yeah, I think that'll do for now. Does make the tree look a little lopsided. This way I may need to wire that branch down at some point, but we will see. Yeah, changed my mind. I have wired it. Now I think that gives the tree slightly better balance. Still needs to develop quite a lot in this area, but Rome wasn't built in a day. It's the 15th of August now, and I've had to start removing some of the wire as it's cutting in. This tree has taken the wiring quite well. It hasn't grown as quickly as I would like, but of course it's an oak tree and it'll grow its own pace. Hardly renowned for speedy development, but I'm generally quite happy so far. I want to shorten this piece, and that's probably all the work I want to do. I'm just going to let it take its head now. It's got a long way to go to be a good tree, but it's been grown from seed that I collected myself, so overall I'm not terribly upset that it's taking a long time. Actually, I think I want to remove that piece and let a bit more light into that area, and I think come this winter time I may want to thin this out a little. We seem to have got quite a lot of shoots growing from one point. In fact, I get my cutters in there and I can just nip out a few right now before I get a lump, a swelling. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Now I won't get a gnarly old knuckle where I had about 6 branches all popping from the same spot. There we go. I think I'll pop that on the bench. I don't think it's going to make any more amazing developments betwixt now and then. I shall keep weeding it. I've just pulled out half a dozen little birch seedlings which I'm not going to try and grow on. Let me just pop the can in for scale, just in case it wasn't in earlier in the video, though it probably was. I'm too lazy or too stupid to bother to go back and check. Yeah, give you one final twirl. And I shall just say thank you so much for watching. Do all the usual YouTube things, like, subscribe, comment below, but most of all, please stay safe, everybody.